You can see hand position for pendulum shading. You have to rest your hand onto your pinky finger marked in blue color. Keep your ring finger marked in yellow color. Bend it into your palm so it doesn't restrict the movement of the other three fingers. Hold your pen in between of index and middle finger marked in red and green. Only use the index finger marked in red to move your pen by pushing it towards yourself and releasing it to flick backwards. Work in a swing motion, only touching skin at 90 degrees angle. You can rest your pinky finger in various positions, in front of you, behind you, or on your thumb. You can also rest your pinky finger on a client's face. Make sure positioning is comfortable, allowing you to perform a smooth pendulum motion.